What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're drawing player 124 from Squid Game Season 3. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. You go all the way around and bend that back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, draw a smaller circle coming in for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now let's go to the inside of the eyes and draw the brow. We're going to come in and bend that up. And we'll draw on the eyebrows. Let's start back along the bottom, bend this up, and then out. Let's taper that in so it gets a little bit thicker as it comes in towards the brow. And then we'll fill the insides in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start on the left, then it's down, across, and then up. Move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom, add a small curve for the mouth. I'm going to go up and then down, step down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Let's go back to the outside of the eyes, step out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left, we're going to come down, round out the head, underneath the mouth, go across and then bring that up towards the right side. Now let's go in and sink in the cheekbones. On the left, bend this in and then down. Let's place the ears along the side of the head. Starting on the left, we go up, come around, and then in. Along the top, let's add a fold, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to work our way across the inside of the hairline. Let's start back on the left. We're going to go up and then bend that in around the eyebrows. Go up. And pull that in toward the center point. Now from that center point, we're going to draw a short line going up to separate the hair. Now let's draw on the left side. We're going to go up, go all the way around, and then pull that straight down on top of the ear, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go underneath the ears and flare out the hair. We're going to start by lining up the side of the hair underneath the ear, come down and out on both sides. And I want to curl that back in, coming down and then in. Let's add a layer, stepping over, coming down and in. And then we'll separate the last strand, coming down and out, and then bend that back in underneath the head. Let's go back to the face and add a couple of scars. We're going to start on the bottom left with a curve going around. Close off the inside. Let's go up above the right brow, going up and then down, and tracing out the top. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start by adding in the bib. Let's start on the left side underneath the head, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right and bring that down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add in the collar, starting on the left, coming down, and then up, and we'll trace that along the inside. Let's add a trim going around the sleeve, starting on the left, bend this down, and then in. Let's add that zipper in the center with two straight lines coming down. And we'll add the number in the center of the body. Let's start with a straight line going across. We'll add a rectangle coming down and then across the bottom. And we'll draw the number 1, 2, 4 inside. Now with the arms, I want to stretch this out towards the side with the arm on the left holding the cross chain and the arm on the right holding the knife. So let's start from the top of the body. Bend this down and then out towards the wrist. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curl the thumb going around. So we're going to go up bend the thumb coming down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers going around. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval. Going out and back in. Step down, draw another oval. We're going to tuck this one up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right. We're going to start with the thumb. Curl this around and then up. Add that first finger, that half oval. Add the second finger. And then the third. Now let's draw the top of the cross. Starting from the finger and the thumb, we're going to go out, 2 angled lines, flatten off the ends, come in towards the middle, and we're going to go up toward the top of the cross, and then back down. Let's extend this cross underneath the hand, with 2 straight lines coming down, and I'll flatten that off. Now I want to trace that cross along the inside, just leaving a thin trim. Let's go over towards the right and add the knife. We're going to start with the handle, coming down with 2 lines, round that out. Let's line up the inside line above the thumb, go up, bend that in, curl this around the outside and then down. And I'll just separate the handle. Let's add some blood across the knife blade. Now we're going to go back to the wrist and add the edge of the palm. Let's start on the left. We're going to go around the fingers, bend that out in behind the cross, and then the handle. From the palm, step up, bend the arms coming in toward the side of the body. Let's go halfway along the arm. We're going to add a seam. Just going to bend this across and then down. Then we're going to add a stripe across the top half. Stepping down, follow the curve of the arm going in. Now let's continue working down the legs. In the center, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Now let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, bend this out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, bending this down and then up towards the outside of the feet. Let's go back to the left, curve the top of the foot, we're going to go up, and now we're going to bend this down like a half circle, aiming towards the heel, and then curl that back up towards the inside of the legs. Let's go back to the hips, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a stripe along the side of the legs. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to add a toe cap. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw player 124 from Squid Game Season 3. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.